y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it is almost 11 o'clock at night, and I'm bad with the camera clearly, but yeah, it's almost 11 o'clock at night and the kids are in bed. They're not all asleep, but at least they're in bed, and it is now my time to clean up and get the house reset for tomorrow. So thanks for coming to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Normally when I clean at night, I like to start in the kitchen, but tonight I'm gonna start in the living room just because it looks a mess, but it's not as bad. So this is what I'm gonna tackle first, and then I'm gonna move over to like the dining room. It's not really a dining room, it's where we have all of our school stuff. Then I'm gonna finish up in the kitchen and get ready for tomorrow. Okay, so everything is clean and folded. Everything is tidy. Things all cleaned up and put away. This area is like, I don't know what this area is, to be honest, but for now, this is where we keep all of the baby stuff when he's out in the living room. And I just unplug everything and move it to the side when I'm done with it at night. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. Now let's move on to that area. Okay, so as you can see, this area is a mess, and it gets like that because this is where everybody walks in, this is where everybody drops all their stuff and just moves forward. Like I said, we live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with 3 children and 2 full-grown adults, so we are very, very, very tight on space. So that's why I don't have a dining room table. We have trays, and we have like 2 fold-out tables that we use to eat on. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had someone join me. So let's get this cleaned up, all while wearing a baby. I had to change my shirt because, you know, baby wearing gets real hot. So let's continue. so my kitchen is a mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. This will probably take me about 15 minutes. Usually the dishwasher is already empty and all I gotta do is load it and then wipe down the counters. This mess is from dinner. We just had dinner and well, not just had dinner, but we had dinner and we ate and watched a movie, so I didn't really like get right to it, and this time I kind of didn't clean as I went. Normally I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of, reset the kitchen, and get ready for tomorrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some stuff out of the china cabinet, my very messy china cabinet, to get, what was I saying? Oh, I'm gonna get a Tupperware to put away the leftovers for my husband tomorrow for when he gets off work. Most of the time, I'm not gonna say that we're perfect when it comes to saving leftovers, but usually I try to make just enough to where we don't have leftovers, since we are not really like a leftover eating family. Not saying that we're too good for that, but it's just not our thing. So that is what I am about to do, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning this mess. Died. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's what I used to film. I honestly, not hate, that's a bad word. I do not like using this tripod. I need a new tripod. But anyways, so my phone died, but I got my husband's lunch for tomorrow all wrapped up. So he comes home. He's an over-the-road truck driver for Domino's. So he comes home, and he basically comes home, eats, goes to sleep, gets back up. That's pretty much that same night, midnight, 1 o'clock, goes right back out on the road. So he's, doing his thing. So I've been really trying hard to make sure that I have like everything ready for him. And then like when he gets up, I always have all his stuff ready to go. So that way it makes his commute, I guess if you want to call it, easier. So that way tomorrow he can come home, he can eat, go to bed, and he can wake up at a good time. So now I'm just gonna finish midnight, I think, now. 12:30. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the time, but I am done cleaning the house, and the other kids are in bed, and you know, they finally decided it was time to relax. That was tough to deal with because I kind of wanted to be mad, but you know, there are times when I can't sleep either, so it is what it is. But now my son, I'm feeding him, and he is a very loud eater if you can't hear. And we are about to go to bed and get ready to do it all over again tomorrow. So thank you guys for tuning in to watch this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you would love to subscribe. I will definitely post regularly and just post about each day in the life of a stay-at-home mom and wife. So good night, you guys, and I'm glad that you watched my video.